Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my March BOXYCHARM. It's already March. I'm so excited for March. March is my favorite month because one, it's the beginning of spring, daylight savings starts, and it's my birthday month. So I'm really excited. I feel like this month's box has been so hyped up. There was an entire influencer trip around this box. This month's box theme is vacation. Let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna start off with this right here. This is the South Main 3 eye gel packs. Reduce puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes the eye area. I actually really need that right now. For some reason my eyes have been super irritated. I put some of the Dermalogica Stress Eye Relief or whatever under my eyes to kind of help it, and my eyes have been super red. I don't know what's going on. This has been going on since last night, so I don't know. And then I'm also super tired because daylight savings started today. So we're gonna try one of these out. These retail for $10. Soften and moisturize to ensure that you look rested and refreshed. I definitely need it right now. Have a venti. That's how tired I am. It says to leave on for 30 minutes. I'm gonna leave them on for a little bit. I wouldn't say 30 minutes. I'm gonna leave them on. If they stay on, I'm gonna leave them on while I do my eyeshadow. Oh, these are so wet. Oh my god. They're literally dripping. Stay on my under eyes. I will keep them on during my eyeshadow, but I have a feeling they're not because they're super, super wet. Okay, they stay on. I'm gonna bring them a little bit down. So I'm gonna keep them on while I do my eyeshadow. Hopefully they stay on my eye. Ugh, these are so wet. I don't like masks that are super, super wet, but I feel like I need the under eye help right now because my eyes are super, I don't know what's going on with them. Okay, hopefully they stay on while I do my eyeshadow and hopefully I don't look too crazy. The thing that I'm going to be using is the new Pure and BOXYCHARM palette. I'm super excited. I've seen swatches of this everywhere and stuff, so this is what the palette looks like. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Pure products, and I actually really, really love their palettes that they have now, so I'm really excited to try it out. This palette and everything has been super hyped up. They had an influencer trip with it and everything, so I'm excited. It looks really nice. I feel like these colors literally scream my name. We have our warm tones, we have some golds, we have our pinks and burgundies and stuff right here. We have a nice black with glitter, blue, and then some browns. I'm gonna take these eye masks off because they're literally slipping down as we speak. So yeah, I'm taking them off and they're also getting in the way, but I also feel like it really even just I've only had them on for what, 5 minutes. They've kind of hydrated my under eyes and I feel like it really did help. The puffiness that I had under my eyes today, they look a lot better. I don't know what was going on with my eyes this morning. I woke up and they were super red, so I feel like it really helped a lot even just in that little 5 minutes. So just even having them on for a little bit helped. I am going to use these when my eyes are puffy as hell and I need some of that moisture back under my eyes and stuff, but even just that little amount of time, I feel like my under eyes are pretty hydrated. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Perfect. This is gonna be too light for a transition shade, but we are going to try it. I'm gonna zoom you guys in really quick. So let's see. Yeah, this is more my actual skin tone kind of shade, but it works as a really good first transition. This shade right here, and oh, I'm over here using a mirror. There's a mirror in this palette, which I actually really like. By the way, this palette retails for $36. It's actually a really good sized mirror. I can see my whole face in it, so that's really good. And I feel like the shadows are blending out pretty good with this shade right here called Belle. It's a peachy pink. I'm leaning towards the pink shadows for this look, so I'm just going to use the same brush and just kind of do the same thing, put that in my crease, blend it out. So the next shade that I'm going to take is BFF. It's this burgundy pink shade. There aren't too many mattes in this shade. In this palette, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so I don't really have another shade to take between this shade and this shade for the look, so that's the only thing that kind of sucks, but if it blends out well, I feel like I can make it work. So I'm actually going to take a smaller brush. I'm going in really lightly so I don't have like just such a harsh transition from the other shade to this shade. Shadows are blending out pretty nicely, so I'm just using like a fluffy brush to kind of diffuse the shade out so it's not as pigmented. And I'm going to go in with a smaller brush to kind of intensify that color. I just want like a wash of it in the crease to have a good transition from that shade to Belle that we used earlier. I'm going to go in with a smaller brush and just kind of pack that on the outer corner. Blend that into the crease. I feel like this shade is a little bit harder to work with. I'm gonna blend out that edge. They blend out really nicely though. Like if I see a harsh line and I go over it with like a clean brush, it blends out well. But I feel like, I don't know, I don't really like this shade right here. So I think I got that shade up to its like fullest potential. I wish it was a little bit more pigmented. And I feel like it was a little hard to work with, but it was doable. And I do like the color. I just wish it was a little bit more pigmented. So for my lid, I think I'm just gonna do this shade right here. It is ATL. The metallics in this palette is actually really nice. So I did some swatches right here. So this is the shade that I'm gonna use, ATL. This one right here, let me do a better swatch, is Bay. It's really pretty. I actually really like that shade, but I kind of want to do a darker eye. And then Alliance is this shade right here. This one is Charmer. Sorry, I'm like going out of order. This one is Charmer. It's really pretty. MIA. This one is super pigmented. Such a pretty blue with ATL. And see how that goes on my lid. I'm just taking a flat brush. I'm going to go in with it dry and then see how that works. If not, I'll probably go in with it wet. So, ooh, no, that's actually really pretty. It is really pretty on its own. I am going to wet it just to make it a little bit more intense. I always like to go in with a metallic shade that's just wet just because it always looks better. Oh yeah, super pretty. I'm just putting this all over my lid. Back in with a smaller brush and blend out the edges so it's just a seamless blend into the crease. I also wish there was like a little bit of like a darker burgundy or something to put in the crease from the trans, because there's only like a dark brown and like a black. So a little bit of Bay, the pink shade, and I'm gonna put that over top of it because I actually really liked it when I swatched it. Just with that, and we're gonna just go like in the center. I'm actually just gonna put that all over because it's actually a really pretty like metallic pink. That's super pretty. Just remembered there's brushes in this box. Great, I'll use them on this side. I was like so caught up with the look that I forgot to even check what else is in the box. These brushes, they come in a set of 3. They're the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Brush Set. So we'll use them on this side to see how they compare to my normal brushes that I always use. So these retail for $23.15. What a random ass price. It's like an angled blending brush. Honestly, I probably would never use that brush. And we have a flat brush, and then, ooh, this will be really good for the lower lash line, so I'll definitely use that one after. Shade ATL. It picks up a lot of product, or I'm just crazy because it's a white brush. Let's see. Oh wow, that packs on shadow way nicer than the other brush. And the other brush was a Sigma brush. Oh wow, bitch. I'm shook. I'm just gonna do what I did earlier with the smaller brush and blend out those edges and then go back in. The other side for Bay, the pink shade. and pack that all on top. Oh my god. I'm gonna clean this up and then I'll do the rest of my makeup, and then I will come back to do my lower lash line and then the rest of whatever I'm gonna use in this box. I did the rest of my face makeup so far. I'm baking right now, but I'm gonna do my lower lash line, so I'm going back into the palette. Oh, I also added a wing liner if you couldn't tell. I'm trying to bring the wing back, you guys, because I haven't done wing liner in forever. I'm taking Nikki on a pencil brush to kind of just put that down. And I'm going to take BFF with a pencil brush first, and then I'm going to go in with another brush, the other brush. And now I'm going in with that little smudger brush, taking BFF, and I'm just going to put that closest to my lash line. And then I'm just going to go in with the brush that I used earlier and just kind of blend all that out. So next thing in the box is this blush right here. It's from Pretty Vulgar. This is retails for $26. It's in the shade Make Them Blush. This is like a hot ass pink, which I guess it goes with the look, but holy crap. Love pink. So I'm gonna be like super light-handed with it, tapping a lot of the excess off. I'm going like with a really fluffy brush. And I'm just gonna put that on the apples of my cheeks very lightly. I normally would not go in with something this pink, but for the sake of this video, it's actually really pretty if you put it on extremely light. Like I'm barely even like tapping it. I'm just kind of pressing that. I dusted that on lightly. Like you can't really see it on camera, but I don't want to go. I mean, you guys see how bright this is? Come on. I actually put on a little bit of highlighter. I'm just taking the Anastasia and Emery highlighter because it's my fave. The next thing in the box is this mascara right here. It's from Butter London. It's the Double Decker Lashes Mascara. This retails for $20. I've never really tried anything from Butter London before. I remember we sold it at Ulta when I worked there. But this is what the mascara looks like. So I actually really like wands that look like this, so I'm really excited. I feel like you won't really be able to see because I have pretty thick eyeliner on, and then also my eyelashes are kind of short to begin with, so it's really nice. Like I feel like this would look really good if I didn't have eyeliner on. This mascara looks so bomb on my lower lashes. Holy crap. So I actually really like this mascara. It looks really nice and I love it on my lower lashes. It looks so pretty. So I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and then I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I actually really like how it came out. It's not like too dramatic, but it's like still pretty, you know, whatever. It's really nice. Let me go ahead and add everything up in this month's box to see what it was worth. This month's box was a total value of $115.15 because of the weird pricing. I liked everything so far. The only thing I wish is that the Pure palette was just like a little bit more pigmented. I feel like the pink shadow could be like really bright, but I still really like it. I just wish that the pink was a little bit more bold. But yeah, pretty much that's it. I really liked the mascara. I really liked the brushes. The eye masks were pretty nice. I'm gonna try them out more when like I have time. And then I really liked the blush too. It wasn't too pink like I thought it was gonna be. With a really light hand, it looked really pretty. So anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you guys got in your BOXYCHARM this month and what your favorite thing was. And yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.